One of the main advantages of using a blogging system is the ease in which you can create new messages or posts. Once you've logged in, you can go to your dashboard, and once in your dashboard, you can see all of your previous posts and edit them if you wish, or add a new one. Adding a new blog post is relatively simple. You have a full-featured text editor capabilities with formatting and the ability to add links, as well as to add a variety of multimedia such as images and videos and music files. You can also add Flash format and a variety of other media such as polls or other functionalities through a variety of different plugins. One of the best new features in WordPress 3 is the ability to give students their own blog using just one implementation of WordPress. You can potentially give out hundreds of different accounts to students, and they can create their own blog and post their own messages and share their content with each other. Every one of them has the ability to add multimedia, such as images or videos or podcasts. Of course, after they post their messages, students also then get the opportunity to respond to each other's work. So they can come back and post messages about what they've learned from each other, how they can improve what they've done. You can see some ideas here. It's very easy to post a response directly to the blog post. Every one of the students also has the ability to change the look and feel of their blog. There are literally thousands of different themes that are available out there, and almost all of them are free, so that's really a nice advantage. Every one of these themes is also highly customizable. So not only could you start with a nearly unique theme, but then turn around and customize it so that it looks entirely different from anyone else. In addition, WordPress comes with, again, literally thousands of different plugins that add functionality to WordPress, and the majority, again, of these thousands are free. Here are just some examples of some plugins that are related to education. There are gradebooks out there. There are bibliography style plugins. A very nice one is the ScholarPress courseware that enables instructors to literally create an entire course online, very similar to a learning management system. You can have assignments and schedules and calendars just built in directly into WordPress. There are a variety of functions and settings that help contribute to the security and privacy settings of WordPress. All of the comments, for example, are moderated both by the instructor and the students. There are a number of settings out there that make sure that every one of these posts are checked against a database of spam. The individual blog owner can approve or disapprove or delete or mark as spam any one of the posts that are there. Also, as an administrator, there are a variety of different privacy settings as well as additional plugins that help contribute to WordPress's settings, privacy settings. For example, this members only, you can actually turn WordPress into a closed system again so that only the members of the blog system can see anything. There are also measures in place to capture any sort of spam in terms of comments as well, with capture codes. In addition, students and instructors all have a full set of site statistics. WordPress's automatic built-in RSS features provide the ability to export the content from the entire website out to a number of different avenues. For example, anything that's been developed in this blog could then be re-imported right back into a learning management system, or at some point into an iPad, iPhone application, or perhaps out to an Android phone. Since WordPress is open source, it's constantly being developed by a team of hundreds of volunteers who are constantly developing any number of plugins and themes that add to the functionality of this application. For example, there are plugins that assist with the social media input into any number of these blogs. For example, there are Twitter feeds, there are delicious widgets, YouTube widgets, also Flickr widgets, just about anything you can imagine, constantly being developed by a team of volunteers who are interested in this application. One of the more exciting plugins for WordPress is the BuddyPress plugin. BuddyPress provides the potential for creating a true community of learning in a WordPress implementation. That provides the option for a number of different features, such as an activity page that shows what's going on in the entire website, both from comments and blog posts. Each individual has the ability to post updates in a very similar fashion to Facebook. Each individual also has an entire profile that shows how long it's been since they've posted. There are ways to create avatars, as well as to post messages to each person individually, create friendships between individuals, as well as through groups. Each one of the groups in the BuddyPress plugin not only has options for individuals to become part of a specific topic, but they also can post into forums specifically around that topic.